This is the TEMPWARE Milkhouse space heater. I wanted to show you a little bit about it. It has a nice blue color that I like. It blows out nice warm heat. It does heat up our kitchen nicely. Oh, it just shut off. The thermostat automatically shuts it off, which is very nice. It has two different power wattages settings and a fan setting, and of course the thermostat down at the bottom is easily adjustable. I have it sitting here beside a gallon of milk so that you can kind of see how big it is to scale. This handle here was a little tweaked, as you can see. I will bend that back into place. This one was straight and sturdy as it should be. The handle on the top came separately and needed to be assembled. Just unscrew the screws and put it on. Just wanted to give you a little overview of it. Thank you.
Notice that he actually calls the third movement of the first symphony minuetto. However, he marks it allegro molto, which is very quick, e vivace and lively, and gives it a very fast tempo. I don't think it's a minuet at all. That's right. It's not a minuet. We can't dance the minuet to that. A minuet is a kind of line dance with very courtly steps. Couldn't possibly work. This is 1 to a measure, not 3 to a measure. And quick, it's a scherzo. By the time we get to the second symphony, Beethoven doesn't even bother to write in the word minuet. He calls it scherzo. Listen to the scherzo of this second symphony.